What the hell? Did it not go off? Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Ren and this is my channel, Wisely Made Up. Today, right now, I'm going to be doing, I don't know why I looked down. Today I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge where I give myself 5 minutes to do as much of my makeup as possible and you guys make fun of me as I scramble around to get everything done. So in front of me I have the bare essentials of what I would need to do a full face of makeup, and I have a stopwatch. I'm going to be putting the stopwatch down though because I don't have any way to like rig it to my wall and I don't really want to duct tape it up. So I'm going to try to see if I can find a way to put a timer up on the thing, but I am not going to edit this video during the makeup portion. Maybe I'll edit the beginning and maybe I'll edit the end, but from the time my makeup starts to the time my makeup stops, there will be 0 editing. Okay, are you guys ready? Because I sure am not. Okay, 5 minutes on the clock. Starts now.
5 minutes later.
What the hell? Did it not go off? All right, so I lied. There's some editing. I already did this challenge one time and the alarm for the timer didn't go off, so this is part 2, but you won't get to see part 1, so here's part 2. And my husband's gonna hold the timer and he's gonna hold the timer and he's gonna tell me when to start. And ready, set,
and go.
And primer. Oh, that's a lot. Oh no. I like really dug into that. Oh no. I don't know why I'm closing it. Like, what do I do next? Okay, browse. Oh no. That's a long tail. Okay, don't have time to cut. Got it. What if I ran out of foundation right now?
Don't do the worst.
Oh no. I have a little bottle in the bathroom, but it's okay. I'm just gonna make this work.
4 minutes.
Oh no. This is the longest step. Shoot. Oh no. Oh, I need to cut my brows. Okay. Shit. What's my time?
You got 3.5 minutes.
No. All right. Okay. Okay. I'll just put some of this on. War paint. Oh no, that's not the right spot. I didn't see it. Damn it. Okay, we'll just blend that out with the foundation side a little bit and then.
3 minutes.
Oh no, don't say that to me. Touch. Why did I put this much concealer on my face? Oh no. Okay. I mean, we don't need it to last all day, right? Ow. Bronzer. Just bronze on my eyes a little bit. I'm just like slamming things. Sorry for the loud audio, guys.
2 minutes.
Frack. Oh, frick, oh, frick. Oh, frick, oh, frack. I look beautiful. Oh no. Erase it to put it right back. It's like it went invisible.
90 seconds.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, I didn't put any eyeliner on. It's okay if we like really.
What's your high school like?
Basically. Okay, I gotta put on a lip.
60 seconds.
All right. No, no, no. I mean, I don't know what we're highlighting, but
30 seconds.
I know, I have time, kind of. Oh.
10,
Oh no.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time.
Oh no. All right, guys. Here is time 2 of this beautiful 5-minute makeup challenge. It looks like a disaster, but I mean, I guess that's what it's supposed to be. This was so much fun, guys. Thanks for coming and watching me. Also, Curly Girl Hair Update Week 3. It's looking really pretty. I'm actually really liking my natural hair. I used to think that my hair was really frizzy, but it turns out I just wasn't using enough moisturizer or conditioner. Leave some comments below, make fun of me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.